Wagwan, your boys is here again. Your boy Davian Flex is here again. Yeah, so you can see Taste Bud is here tonight. Yeah, this is the night flex, so you call this the home style cooking. Yeah, so I'm actually, today, is New Year's Day. So I'm in my brother's yard. So you have the yard flex, where you call it home style cooking. So tonight is gonna jerk some chicken. So the real home style. So say instead of me go on the journey, go look a little road up on the road. So I say, alright, my brother put on something tonight. So I say, no, I go jam and see how bad him is. They say if him good like them big chef out on the road today. To make you see what I'm gonna do tonight, so I'm gonna introduce you to my brother. Yeah, my little brother is a chef also, but him also work. So tonight I'm gonna show you up him little thing. Yeah, so as I was saying, he also a chef, so I'm always saying better than me in a cooking, so enough time I have a cook off with him, but him know I make the date. You understand? So I'm gonna force him one day to make the date. So I'm also a big mechanic. You understand, guys? So tonight we're here in my yard for so body meals. I'm saying I put up a stamp tonight. Yeah, man. So we're gonna give you a little flexi right here. So, we're gonna introduce it to him right now.
Yeah, man. Right.
Yeah, see me.
Mechanic, what?
Yeah.
And the chef in the place.
So you say chef slash mechanic. Yeah, man.
Some feel I'm a wicked chef than mechanic.
All right.
Alright. So, how stay now? We're gonna set with thing. Well, pork.
Yeah, pork tonight.
Alright.
So we're going to pot now.
So we're going to alright. This is a jerk chicken.
Oh, so this is a jerk chicken.
Marinade, alright?
Alright. Over here says
jerk chicken.
This is the pork. This is a pork.
Alright. So
nice.
how we do the pork now? We cut up with scallion, with herb seasoning, with thyme, pimento.
Yeah.
And we blend it.
Alright.
And mix up everything, put it for soak for a couple of hours.
So I can ask you a question now. As my brother, you understand, I don't really see, I don't know if I'm cooking all the while like all this, we're going to make up a stamp tonight.
See me?
Oh, me not see you?
Yeah.
But you normally do it?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you say? So me I say no. Uncle here really do them thing?
No.
You do this yearly?
Well, until I say that someone do something, but you're never there.
Oh.
Right.
Well, guys, he say he do something
so
in the
summer.
summer.
I'm going to do the pork first.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the jerk chicken. Mix up my jerk seasoning, my herb seasoning, my jerk seasoning tonight.
Yeah.
Alright.
Guys, I gotta ask him something,
So, hold on. So, alright, we're going to do the pork first. Alright. So, some pork, I'm going to put it on first. But before we do that first, so we have to deal with the thing. Sanitary.
So we'll talk about the cleanliness.
So this is where the pork will go.
Cleanliness. See it right here.
So need a double clean again, alright?
Yeah.
So that's one thing we always do.
Yeah.
Make sure we're forward. Alright, so this is our little jerk pan,
Yeah.
Davian Taste Bud.
Yeah. Team jerk pan this. Nice.
Well clean out. Set it.
So like how you work, I still want to say something, like how you work now,
Yeah.
And you do a little cooking at night. Yeah. And some people see and say, boy, Taste Bud always out on the road. I watch people.
Alright, you go watch how much people are going to pass through.
Let me ask you a question now. Suppose a man see and say, boy, some other brother come jerk up something in my yard. You go? Left your work and go do it?
Well, this is my hobby.
Oh.
Not for making money.
Oh, that's his hobby.
I don't know when in the future I'm going to bring when I get turn hole and lift up my engine again.
Alright.
You see me?
Alright.
But for now, I'm my hobby.
Alright.
And I want to tell you, so come like me is a better chef than how I cook.
Oh, what you say?
I am a better chef than how I am a mechanic. Let me correct that.
Alright.
You see me?
Where I go see where I go on?
I can prepare a better pot
than
fixing a complete engine.
Oh, what you say?
Yeah,
well, we're there for taste it tonight to make you go in the car. We're there for taste the pot, You understand? We're there for taste it. Yeah, man. Some people might watch you now for so I go on if you really can cook. Yeah, can fit bun, me still show the bun part of the bun.
Show me how my thing soak in night season and everywhere.
So from when you saw this last night?
No, this morning.
This morning.
Sometimes you do it from overnight, but now is what time in the evening?
Yeah, just
now
after 7.
After 7 already?
After 7. After 6 going to 7.
So this get a proper 5-hour soaking.
Beautiful.
That good enough?
Beautiful. Alright.
So I'm going to drop on the pork now.
So you have people coming in tonight come taste it, man.
Yeah, you don't know, so people have a pass through in the New Year's. Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, like I said, this is my brother.
Brother, your brother.
My brother. To say if him bad pan the thing, you understand? So why not? I don't go up on the road today. But come here out today. Home style, him say, you know. Home style. So right over here, I'm going to put it on the grill. Nice. What a big fat
So
pork.
about 3 pounds of roast pork.
3 pounds. Nice.
And sometimes some of the seasoning can drop in at the fire and
Yeah.
to get the fire that flavor. I like how
So when the season drop, now the fire, you get that flavor.
wholesale give me a nice piece of pork.
Nice, nice.
Alright.
Beautiful.
Put some of the jerk sauce. I'm soon show you how I'm going to do it.
Alright.
Roast chicken. So
You don't put the chicken with the pork.
hey, we're not Rasta, you know. We don't discriminate on our food, you know.
Alright.
So here what? After the pork,
Yeah.
I'm going to jerk my chicken.
Okay.
So probably later you can splice up that and show me. I'm going to put on this.
Beautiful.
I'm going to put on my special sauce. My special ingredients.
So you make your own sauce?
Yeah.
What? Man, send me buy him sauce then make him own sauce.
Alright. This are the sauce.
Yeah. This is one that you make by yourself.
Alright. So I'm going to show you how I deal with it. So them thing I give you your unique taste. You see me? But it still have that jerk flavor.
Nice, nice.
So this. So here what I'm going to do now. I'm going to lock me. Make it steam while it roast.
Cool.
I won't
Close the pot.
I won't too much fire is not in it. Alright?
Alright.
So soon I'll be turning it over.
Nice, nice.
Alright.
I love it. Love him. Look at jerk thing right there. So you know, it's little and neat. You know, see that? It name a one man grill. One man grill.
Alright. So you know, it's a home vibes where you could have in the house, but you want to come out, come get that different feeling
Nice.
outside. So it's a more chill vibes and stuff.
Which is right. Which is right.
So this is what I will do at the same time.
So
I'll do it this is my way.
Your way.
I don't know how others do it.
But this is your way.
Not making my season all my season go to ruin. Yeah, so at the same time the next side I roast.
Oh. So while it's soaking down to the bottom, I can see it.
Also. So by the time here, so you just turn it around. Alright. And sometimes this thing going at the fire to one gate, but steamy flavor.
Alright, so we're gonna hold on.
Alright, so we deal with the thing sanitary. Alright, so chef. So we'll give this like, we don't have a special clock, we just look on it and use our eyes. Eat with our eyes, alright?
Oh, so you say you don't put no time on it.
Yeah.
Just use the eyes.
Judge it right now because you remember.
Man sound like a chef for real, man. Man sound like a chef. Yeah, man.
So in a few, we'll be turning it over,
Yeah.
get it to steam.
Okay then.
I can smell my aroma.
Yeah. You must smell it. Look at chimney.
Yo,
right here.
This will
Whoa.
send all the signal over.
Yeah, man. So that'll draw the crowd.
All the people must smell it down far.
I'm forward. Yeah, man. So in other words, if say all people gonna smell it and then come along. You understand?
So this about the chill vibes, New
Nice.
Year style, isn't it?
Nice.
Bring in the New Year's
Yeah.
with that natural,
All right.
chill, home, real home style,
All right.
isn't it? Yeah.
So like I said, guys, Dave and Tastebud is here with you in the night. You understand? So this is not on the road, nor in the restaurant. This is the real home vibes. You understand? So guys, we're gonna come back in a few when I'm almost finished. Okay, guys. So I'll be back with you in a few. The bad man there, wait on him pork. Yes, wait on your pork. Say something, man. You wait on your pork. Eh? Waiting on your pork. Yeah, waiting on your pork. Yeah, you want pork? Yeah, man. You need your pork. Nice. You want your pork? You need your pork. I'm sitting waiting on my pork too. Yes, I'm waiting on my pork. Yeah, man. So these are different settings tonight, man. Different settings tonight. So we're not on the road, we are in the house. So the real home style. The baby want the phone and they want it. You want to come up on camera? You want to come up on camera? Yeah. Alright. Sit here. Hold on. Yeah.
The special sauce.
Special sauce. Juice or lemon taste piece already. So the sauce sweet or peppery? Love this what they see right this one. I wish I could invite them, Yeah, man. So I'm a friend who I watch where I go out. Boy, sorry, I never really get invited. I just pop up on him, Just pop up on him, yeah, man. I'm gonna love where I go right this now. I'm gonna cuss you out, but I know where I go on, man. Yeah. Beautiful pork right here.
Keep it moist at the same time because you don't want your pork dry and not too wet.
But man, I go on good, man. Like you can go on the roadside, go do your thing, man.
Oh, I'm not going to the roadside, restaurant.
Where's a restaurant, you say?
I mean.
I wonder what they call it. Yeah.
Let me think about it.
Think about it.
Let me think about it.
Nice, man. The pork look beautiful, yes, yes. Beautiful.
So, if you want the special ingredients, you can link Davian Taste Buds for these special ingredients, okay?
Nice.
Yeah, subscribe to Davian Taste Bud. And after this, you know my
this is the chicken.
My jerk chicken still.
Whoa.
Waiting. The chicken is saying, what are you waiting on? The dress. Alright. So this well seasoned marinade.
Smells very good too.
So you smell it already?
What?
Not start cooking.
Not to start cooking, I smell it.
Alright.
Yeah, man. The seasoning inside of the chicken rich.
So I'll cover my pork. So smell this. That you're supposed to smell.
Yeah, man. Same say I must come and take a smell through a little good. smoke thing right here.
She
Wow.
just come, you know, so I should have eat that the pork before she come.
Beautiful. Alright.
Seems a little.
So that's the finishing touch. This is it. The finishing touch.
Just the pork.
Wow. This is the finishing touch. So I'm gonna test it now. Yeah, man.
Taste bud.
I'm gonna leave this man up. Make the chef do the thing.
Taste your bud.
You can try it, man. You can try it. Excellent. Well, you have to try it to myself. Come on, I gotta try a piece by itself.
Touch on sauce.
So I am going to try a piece to see if it's really good. Like what the chef said just now. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna try my little piece right now. Sauce on it. One no. Yeah, man, this is my little piece. One no. Nice. Wow, the street ready view. Street ready view, man. You look up on the roadside. But this they want a restaurant, so. Like the sauce, man. Like the sauce. Flavorful, trust me, very nice. So the chicken moment now. Moment. So this is one more fire night.
Just a way. Have to turn this around.
Home style, you know, the home style cooking. Beautiful. See, I put more coal in that. cooking time, so what is this? Washing off the grill. Cleansing this is what I'm saying. So wash off the grill. Ready for the chicken. You want the chicken to taste like pork. You want to wash off the grill. No?
Pipe. Sanitize anything that.
If I use like beer catch fire it.
Yeah.
Sprinkle a beer on that to catch it.
Yeah, beer would have been the right flavor.
Sprinkle a little beer.
Chicken time now.
The chicken time. Chicken time. Yes, the good old chicken.
Alright, we started on the skin side. Because this can absorb some of the seasoning. Okay. So, good to go. Next few minutes.
Yeah, so Dave and Taste Bud is here waiting for the chicken to finish. So the pork literally finish. Yeah, so we are waiting now to see the chicken with the little finger licking, yeah man. Yes, can't wait to get the chicken, you know. I'm literally sweating, you know, I'm sweating. We're talking about the shades, you know. Yeah. So I chop a pork, now we're going to start to serve the pork. Yeah. I'm saying now wait till I start to serve the pork. Start to serve the pork. You guys, like I said, it's home style cooking tonight and not on the street tonight, which is the first of the year, January. I am in the home, so this is the home style cooking. So you guys are gonna catch me on the road again. So this is the new year cooking. So
out of the dining table, out of the stove, yard style, real
chef
style.
attack, you know, teach about the chef again.
You know, home style, yard style.
Yeah.
Out of the conventional night table.
Yeah.
Cool gas stove, real stove, you know.
Under the mango tree. The good old mango tree, guys. See it here? Yeah, man, good old mango tree. So we're under the tree. Yes, this is the tree.
All right, so
was worried.
Our chicken now.
I was worrying just now because I would get like a small, slight drizzle earlier. Was wondering if we're gonna run from under the tree and go back inside, but you know, thank God it dried up. No more rain. Yes. Cooking up for go on. Yeah, man. Yes, you can see the real pork now. What you're saying, I love the pork, you know. so is the pork was? Oh, is the pork?
Pork tastes good.
Is it flavorful? Flavorful. When you see a man lick off his finger, you know some big things are going on here, you know. Yes, but I want 2 fingers you lick off, you need to lick 5. But all them hand him lick off. So it's the pork, ma'am? Oh, it's the pork. Oh, it's the pork. No, man, I need to know about the pork. Talk about the pork.
It's good.
It's good. Yes. So this is the pork table. Yeah, man. Get down the pork left, man.
Yeah.
We all waiting on the chicken, so who get the pork out of the way for chicken? Yes. You don't get the pork yet? All right. More smoke under that. Oh, the smoke. No, man, that's good. Finishing touch of the chicken. Wow. Would like to take a dive right now. Ready to take a dive. Yeah, man, ready to take a dive in that food right now. So guys, so like I said, we are to the end right now. Let the music now stop, so we'll meet again on the road. I'm just going to show you a finishing touch of the chicken. Yes. Yeah, man.
So yeah, so this is my...
Ya give me the whole of that. Whole of that. your finger, boy. Don't have to taste your finger. Now move your finger from the board. Oh boy. The chef have to do this more often. So I can't call him a more one day chef. The chef not a bread for go with it, you know? Not a bread. Like I said, guys, Dave and Taste Bud will catch you on the street again. This is also home style cooking. Hope you enjoy. So like and share. And remember to subscribe. Until we meet again. Peace out.